One of the most common logical functions is the if function. And as a matter of fact, all of the logical functions are either made to work with the if function or have the if function as a part of them, right? So the first thing we need to learn is, what is this if function and how do we use it? Well, the if function checks whether a condition is met, returns one value if true and one value if false. If we look at the arguments of the if function, we have the logical test. This is where we tell it the condition to test. We have the value of true. This is where we get to tell it what to do if the condition is met. And value of false is where we tell it what to do if the condition is not met. Now, if we don't put anything for the value of true or value of false, it will simply return a true or a false in those places, all right? Let's take a look at an example of the use of our if function. All right, so we got some people selling some stuff here, and we need to figure out if they're getting commission or not. And let's say that in order to get commission, just for example, you have to have at least 1.5 million in sales, right? And if you do have that, then you're going to get a 2% commission, okay? So we need to do a if function to check to see if the total sale is greater than or equal to 1.5 million. We need to tell it that if it is, to figure out 2%, and if it's not, to put a 0, right? Let's give it a shot. So I'm gonna click in this cell. Let's go ahead and find our if function underneath the logical category. And we'll choose if. All right. Here are those three arguments. First one is logical test. Again, notice that logical test is the only one that's bold, which lets us know that this is the only argument that is required, okay? So logical test, we are going to go ahead and say total sale is greater than or equal to 1.5 million. All right. Now we can see that right now it is giving us a preliminary result of false because 1.2 million is not greater than or equal to 1.5 million. All right, so we kind of already know where this is going. All right, value of true. If it's true, we want it to go ahead and figure out 2% of that. So we'll take this, multiply it by our 2% over here in this cell. Let's make that an absolute reference. If it is false, you get 0. All right. Let's test this out. Let's click OK. I'm going to use my fill tool to copy this down. And there we go. We can see some folk are getting commission and some folks are not. Now, one of the tools that we can use here to check our any kind of logical function is the evaluate formula tool. So if I take a look at that, let's click on someone who's getting not getting commission. I'm going to click evaluate formula, and we can kind of step through the process, right? Saying if is this greater than or equal to 1.5 million, false, right? And therefore it's jumping right to the 0. Okay, so we can use that to check and see what's going on, right? So this is the foundation of all logical functions, right? Our if function is checking a logical test to see if it is true or false. And in this case, with our basic if function, we get to tell it what to do if the condition is met and what to do if the condition is not met. We're going to build on top of this framework to be able to do much more advanced and complex functions.